Fishers. We've got a pretty special report for you this week. We've got some not so crash hot fishing down in Victoria in some areas, but up here it's fantastic. But we'll get on to Dartmouth Dam. Maso from the Complete Angler store down in Albury tells me that Dartmouth's fishing exceptionally well, but keep in mind they are deep. Leadline, paravanes, downriggers are absolutely essential at the moment down there to get any good number of fish, and the quality of the fish isn't too bad at all. The disappointing part about Victoria is all the Victorian streams, and pretty much the same with New South Wales. They're all pretty ordinary at the moment, but Hume Weir, 1 in 10 boats is getting a fantastic catch down there. Most people are catching fish, but mainly small redfin. Every now and then somebody comes in with a haul of really, really big reddies, 2.5 to 3 pound. Obviously they're finding the patch of them, trolling, then bobbing. Small yabbies seem to be okay. Ice jig's another very good method down there. So a little bit of activity down the Hume. We're reasonably happy. My whale is a bit dead, nothing much there at all. But where the excitement is around here, around the Murrumbidgee River, around Wagga. Some incredible catches around here at the moment. Bait fishermen are having a ball. The lure fishermen are just in heaven at the moment. They're getting them on surface lures, spinner baits, hard bodies. It doesn't seem to matter. Casting, trolling, whatever you prefer. So the river is right on the top of the list as far as really good fishing. Now, Old Man Creek, there is a few fish getting caught in Old Man Creek. A little bit harder because there's not as much water in it, but it's still fishing okay for anybody who wants to go and put a bit of time in down there. There's a few fish coming out of Lake Albert if you want to go and do a bit of bait fishing, a few cod, a few yellows and what have you. Blowering Dam seems to have quietened down a little bit, but we're getting closer to that full moon. On Monday or Sunday Monday, we should see an increase in catches coming from Blowering Dam again, building right up to about the 16th, and you'll see some great night trolling up there, especially if the weather patterns hold like they are. Some excellent catches, some very big cod coming out of it. Last Saturday, Paul Thomas picked up metre 3, and believe it or not, he actually caught it on a nice jig, bobbing for redfin, which was quite surprising. And Paul was on top of the world, obviously, and it's a fantastic catch. He was only using 10-pound line, and he landed this metre 3 cod. Took him a while to land it, and he swam it away. So very good catch, Paul. Now there's some really good catches coming out of Burrinjuck and Wyangler, some excellent catches of cod and yellow belly out of there. So they're on the hit list as well. And up in the top dams, Yukonbean, Jindabyne, they're struggling a little bit, but they are catching a few trout. Most of the people who are fishing up there and having success are just worms around the timber, also mud eyes under floats and that sort of thing. So this is the Complete Anglers Fishing Report, and we'll catch you again next week.